Okay, you're in for a treat here. This is my very, very high-tech spool winder. And what I'm winding is for an Oahu guitar, steel guitar pickup. And it takes 2/1000ths of an inch diameter wire to make a pickup like this. In fact, it has to be about 7.3 kilo ohms of resistance when I get done. Now, I rebuilt the original mechanism, put some new cores in there and all that, polished everything out, made it real nice and smooth, but kept the original Bakelite. And you can see I'm getting a very nice and even winding job here. I'll explain the mechanism. The mechanism, you can see my spring holding a can with the drive motor in it, and that's there to give any little give. If it gets a little too much tension, which might break that little thin thread coming through there, that tape that you see, it works like a giant shock absorber with the spring being the plastic cutting mat that you see. Now that's being driven by a 12-volt power supply over here. And then if you go way over here, you'll see my high-tech spool device clamped in a vise. And the distance of the wire, which you probably can't see coming over here, helps the wire average out. I'm running at a rate of about 1,800 feet an hour wind. And you can see so far anyway, we haven't had a break. And this is my first attempt, and you can see it's winding very evenly, because when it comes off the spool with that distance, it just fills itself up just as nice, as even as you can imagine. So this is my high-tech Oahu winder. I ended up with a 6.3 kilo ohm coil instead of 7.3 because I'm using higher powered magnets on this pickup than the original magnets, which were Alenco. The new are rare earth magnets. Hope you enjoy.